Welcome back for another night of poetry, everyone. Tonight we have our returning poet all the way from St. Catharines, Troja District, Jamaica, Senior Gunboy. And we have a special poet in the house for you guys tonight, all the way from Lagos, Nigeria, Mr. Femi Lawson. Put your hands together and make some noise, people.
You want to chop me up nice, make me feel right. Smile white and clean like rice. But me know you's not nice. Where the bomb? Your big body a shake.
You think a earthquake?
Me not even mind. Say your titty them fake. So when we can go up and we date? Where the bomb? Me buy you drinks at the bar. Would they take you near and far? But nah, sir. You can't come a bad man here and watching satellite dish. Your weave smell like red snapper fish. And where the bomb?
I met you at the club on a Friday night. You said you could not see me until they turned on the light. I told you, the blacker the berry, the sweeter the juice. You were a butterface, ugly nose, but beautiful big caboose. Mirror, mirror on the wall, why is she the ugliest one of them all? She had the audacity to ask me to take her shopping. Told her a paper bag is the only thing she would be copying. She said her belly is growling. It's time to eat. No steak, no burger, just fufu, no meat. Even her hair, she cannot even maintain. It is raga raga jaga jaga like a mutilated plantain. I don't date, I marry. So I will see you later. In love with this ugly woman? Hey! I just wanted my papers. Hey! Why are you looking at me like that, you very stupid idiot boy?
A poem that? A that you call a poem?
Can you speak proper English?
You know, like your bed sheet. What you wear, man?
Bed sheet? What are you calling bed sheet? You are wearing my tablecloth.
What do you mean, man?
Idiot.
I style this, you know.
What style?
Style can't spoil. What I'm telling you, man?
No, you spoil. Your breath is spoiled. In fact, your whole face is spoiled. You want my face and your hands to be best friends?
Hey, where you talk to, sir?
You are sticking your finger at me.
Where you
are sticking your finger at me. And they told them the king from Nigeria.
Me don't care. And I'm on a water.
I want to bomb clap jollof rice and plantain. You know what? Just shut up there. Idiot. Stupid. You see him, he's a plantain. Want to talk nonsense, eh? In fact, let me just eat this right now.
Oh, where the bomb?